All right, so I've had the Apple Vision Pro for just a little bit now, and I recently installed the beta software on here, which is 1.1. Now, at the time of making this video, you might think that, hey, that's really old software, which maybe it is at the time of watching the video. But on this one, what I ended up doing is I had the beta software installed, and this might happen on non-beta software as well, and I had this error message that showed up on my Apple Vision Pro display on the outside, and it looked like I needed to connect my Apple Vision Pro to a computer in order to get something fixed. And I was kind of confused by it because I personally don't know where there's any USB-C port except for on the battery. There's a USB-C port, but that's just for charging this thing up. And I don't know if it's for data at all, personally at this point. But what I did is I plugged that into my computer and I was like, hey, did that fix it? And it didn't do anything. So what I did is the next logical thing, which I tell everybody to do, and that is to take the battery off. So all you're gonna do is just twist it up, take it off, it turns off, and the error message went away, which was great. And then I just put the battery back, twisted it, let me put this back, there we go, twist it back on, and in just a few mere moments, the screen had gone blank again, but it had brought up the Apple logo, which we should see in just a moment here. And at that point, everything was good to go. It was fixed. I personally don't know what the issue was. I think it just kind of got into like I don't know if it would be a boot loop or just some kind of error message it couldn't physically get out of. So by removing the battery, it ended up fixing that. And there we go, the Apple logo is now back up. It's booting up, it's good to go. I didn't have to press any buttons to turn it back on because I had tried pressing and holding the power button to turn it back on and off and doing all that stuff. Nothing worked at all. So just removing the battery from the Apple Vision Pro fixed it. So there you guys go. Hopefully that was a quick fix for you. You don't get too worried about seeing that message if it pops up on your Apple Vision Pro. You don't have to bring it to the Apple store. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.